y'all, it's me, Miss Custom Fitted, and I'm here with Miss Mocha, and we like to give some shout outs. Well, we like to give some shout outs to Glenn Gordon of the 401, Chad Smith. Oh, some of her tracks are coming my way, so that should be off the chain. I also want to give a shout out to Tara Taylor, Danielle McNeil, J Money, what's up? How are you? C Money, I see that you're out of the hospital and things are looking good for you. That's what's up. Also like to give a shout out to Pretty Maria. Hey, how are you? Sammy Two Guns, I'm back at you again. Definitely gonna give a shout out to Nate Capone, doing big things. January Boyd, how are you? E Swag Johnson, how are you? What's going on? Hit me up, holler at me, call the line, let me know what's going on. Also want to give a shout out to Sean Brown. I want to give a shout out to Shawnetta Barnes, aka Royalty. She'll be in the house real soon, so stay tuned for that. Tracy McKay, what's up? Brandon Williams, aka King Marcus, definitely playing your tracks tonight. Wow, we got a whole bunch of people I like to shout out, but I really don't have a lot of time because I got to play all this music from these hot unsigned artists. So I'm just going to leave it at that for now. Holla at me, 1-760-348-8331.